Want to stop seeing someone's Facebook story without unfriending them? In this video, I will show you how to mute and unmute stories on Facebook in just a few taps. First, launch your Facebook. You'll be directed to the home page. At the top, you're gonna find all of your friends' stories. Now, find the story that you wanna mute. Just launch it. Now, click on three dots given at the top right. Select the option Mute Story. You won't see updates to this story from now on. You can always change this in your story settings. Click on mute. Just with that, you have muted the story of that person. In order to unmute it, what you want to do is navigate to your settings. So click on the settings icon given at the top right. Scroll down, head over to the option Stories. Now click on the option View for the stories you muted. Now click on the option Unmute. With that, you have unmuted the story of that person. So this is how you can easily mute or unmute someone in Facebook story. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.